Hi, I'm Craig Rowland, founder of Sandfly Security. Today I'm going to demonstrate Sandfly's agentless Linux security platform to show you how quickly and easily we can monitor your Linux systems. Sandfly is an agentless system. That means we do not leave anything permanently running at any endpoint. This gives us the widest compatibility in the industry. It also means that we have no stability or performance impact on any endpoints that we're actually monitoring. We can watch systems with the Intel, AMD, ARM, MIPS, Power, and other CPU types, which also means we can not only watch modern cloud systems, but also legacy systems up to 10 plus years old, even if they haven't been patched in years, and also extremely difficult to monitor and notoriously difficult to monitor Linux embedded devices and Linux appliances that frequently have no security monitoring in place. For today's demonstration, we're going to go ahead and add some hosts that are up in the cloud. We can get these addresses through a variety of mechanisms. For today, I'm just going to paste them in, but we can also scan IP address ranges, or your network management system can use our REST API and pass them in that way as well. These are private systems, so we're going to go ahead and use a jump host, but we can also use distributed scanning nodes inside your network as well. The thing I'll add too is that this is a product that's hosted by the customer, so you can run it on-prem or in the cloud depending on what you need. For our credentials, we're going to go ahead and use Sandfly's built-in secure credential management system, but we can also tie into an external key vault of your choice. And finally, we're going to give the systems a tag here called demo, and we're going to hit finish. Sandfly is now connecting these systems over SSH and using our specialized forensic engines to determine what the actual remote systems actually are. In many cases, Linux admins don't actually know all the systems that they're running. Sandfly is going to give you that information within about 5 to 10 seconds. These systems are being connected to, and once that data is collected, we're going to go ahead and make these systems available for use. And just like that, it's done. We've connected these 20 systems. We pulled over Ubuntu information, Alma, Linux, CentOS, Rocky, and so on. Clicking on any one of these systems gives you instant information about what the host actually is, as well as extensive raw host information in our JSON here that you could pass out again to your network management or asset tracking systems. And at that point, Sandfly is ready to go. We'll give you full host snapshots of everything that we saw, including all the kernel versions. But more importantly than that, you can run any of our threat hunting modules instantaneously. You can use our SSH hunter to track and audit what SSH keys are being used across your systems. We have a built-in password auditor that will go out and automatically discover weak and default password credentials that will lead to immediate compromise of your Linux systems. And finally, the fourth thing here is we have a built-in drift detection mechanism, which means that you can lock down a system profile. So any changes to it or to a group of systems that should be exactly like that one host will be immediately registered as a threat. We do it all agentlessly with virtually no impact or disruptions to your Linux systems. So go ahead and check it out. We offer a free license on our website. We're also happy to help you out if you contact us. Thank you again for watching the video and for learning more about Sandfly. Goodbye.